Okay, so here is a practice question on Sophia Smoothies. There we have a listing of our ingredients. Feel free to pause the video anytime you need in order to write those down. Making our equations, we're letting X be the number of zero smoothies, Y the number of yum smoothies, and Z the number of zap smoothies. These are the equations that you should have gotten, knowing the total amount of ingredient A, B, and C, getting those equations. What we're going to now do, I notice that in equations 1, 2, and 3, the X variable has coefficients. In 1, they're the same, so that's going to be easy to eliminate. And 12x is a multiple of 4x, so I'm going to choose to use equation 1 and 2 to eliminate x, and that's going to be the working with the little red dot. And then I'm going to use equation 2 and 3 to eliminate x. That's going to be the work with the red square. Now, since I noticed that equation 2 has a 4x and equation 1 a 12x, I'm going to take equation 2 and multiply by 3, giving me 12x plus 30y plus 12z is 2,700. And that is the next equation, which I'm going to call equation 4. I'm going to put equation 1 right below it, and I'm going to subtract equation 4 minus equation 1. And I have eliminated the x variable because 12x minus 12x is 0. I now have 22y plus 6z is 1,520, calling that equation 5. Now, as I said, I'm going to use equation 2 and 3 to eliminate x because 4x and 4x are the same. So I have equation 2 minus equation 3. 4x minus 4x cancel. 10y minus 2y is 8y. And 4x plus 4z minus 10z, negative 6z. And 900 minus 920, negative 20. That is now equation 6. Okay, now let's compare equation 5 and equation 6. I see the x variable has been eliminated. And since I've got a plus 6z and a negative 6z, if I add equation 5 and 6 together, I've now eliminated the z variable. 30y is 1,500, equation 7. If I want to find y, 1,500 divided by 30 gives me 50. 50 yum smoothies. We now substitute the y equals 50 into 5 and 6 to solve for z. We know y is 50, so y becomes a 50. Simplify that, 1,100 plus 6z is 1,520. 6z 420, z comes out to be 70. I've got 70 zap smoothies. Doing it with equation 6 gives me the same solution. Now I know what y and z are. I'm going to plug those y and z values into equation 1, 2, or 3 to solve for x. There's my equation 1. I've put y equals 50 and z equals 70 in. Simplified those, solve for z. X is 30 zero smoothies.